Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram posts, like hundreds of them, using ChatGPT and Canva. So on Canva, open up Instagram posts if you want to create posts. If you want to create stories, just choose this format. And here you have it now. Now you want to go ahead to ChatGPT and ask for what you want. Now I just asked for it to create 50 separate exercises with its name and very short descriptions and short sentences, so I could use it for Instagram posts. I would do like 100, but it would take a lot of time for ChatGPT to think about it. So now we have all of these exercises, so we can go ahead and copy them. And what you need to do is go ahead to Excel. And now you want to go ahead and paste it to the Excel, just like so. Here we have now 50 exercises. I'm just gonna delete these ones. Now you want to go ahead and click on File, Export, and download as CSV. Now you go back to the Canva and choose a template for quotes. So let me just search for the quotes. And we're going to choose some template which fits us the best. So for example, let's choose this option, and we're going to write down here that exercise. So you want to go ahead and edit it like you would. I'm just going to write that down. Now, what you want to do is go ahead to the bulk create once you are happy with your design. So on Canva, you can just go ahead to the apps and search for bulk create. And here it is. So you want to go ahead and upload your data right there as CSV file. Now, once it is uploaded, you want to go ahead and click Connect Data. And after that, you can go ahead and select or unselect some. And here you have it now. Create 49 designs. For some reason, one is missing, but let's go ahead and do that. It will basically create these whole designs, and as you can see, they are all here now. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you create those Instagram posts and with Canva and ChatGPT. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.